TeacherAI created a new type of artificial intelligence model. This model, dubbed TeacherAI, was specifically built and trained to teach other AI models how to learn. TeacherAI was trained on a massive dataset of human knowledge, including books, articles, and code. It also had access to a vast library of AI training data. This allowed TeacherAI to learn about a wide range of topics and to understand how to learn effectively. Once TeacherAI was trained, the scientists began testing its ability to teach other AI models. They gave TeacherAI a variety of tasks to teach, such as how to recognize objects in images, how to translate languages, and how to play games. TeacherAI was able to teach all of the tasks that it was given. It was also able to teach the tasks to different types of AI models, including neural networks, decision trees, and support vector machines. The scientists were impressed with TeacherAI's performance. They realized that TeacherAI could be a powerful tool for accelerating the development of new AI models. One day, the scientists decided to give TeacherAI a new task. They wanted it to teach a new type of AI model how to learn. This new type of AI model was called a meta-learner. Meta-learners are AI models that can learn to learn. This means that they can learn how to learn new tasks quickly and efficiently. TeacherAI accepted the challenge. It began by teaching the meta-learner about the basics of machine learning, such as supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Once the meta-learner had a basic understanding of machine learning, TeacherAI began teaching it how to learn new tasks quickly and efficiently. TeacherAI was able to teach the meta-learner to learn new tasks much faster than any other type of AI model. The meta-learner was also able to learn tasks with less data. The scientists were thrilled with the results. They realized that TeacherAI could be used to create a new generation of AI models that are more powerful and more efficient than ever before. TeacherAI continued to teach other AI models for many years. It helped to train AI models that are now used in a wide range of applications, including self-driving cars, medical diagnosis, and financial forecasting. TeacherAI was a revolutionary AI model. It showed that AI models can be used to teach other AI models how to learn. This is a powerful new capability that has the potential to accelerate the development of AI and to create a new generation of AI models that are more powerful and more efficient than ever before.